Having a cryptocurrency transactions, especially Bitcoin transactions, and getting 1 out of 3 confirmations can be excruciating slow sometimes. In rare occasions, transactions can go pending up to hours, and that is a bummer. Sometimes you wonder to yourself, how do I make my cryptocurrency transaction faster? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you all how to speed up crypto transactions. In this tutorial, we're going to be using via BTC Transaction Accelerator. You have to sign up first, and this website's Accelerator is completely free to use. You can use their paid service, which is 10 times better than the free one, but you have to pay a fee to accelerate a certain transaction. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, what is a transaction accelerator? Well, it's pretty much self-explanatory. Whenever your transaction status remains pending due to the crowded BTC network or low miner fees, you can use the transaction accelerator to accelerate the confirmation. Getting one confirmation may take like 5 minutes or even longer than 10 minutes. So with this tool, if somehow your Bitcoin transaction or any cryptocurrency transaction is still not getting confirmations after hours of waiting, this tool is very useful and will help you fix that problem. You can also use this tool just for any normal transactions to make transactions 5 times faster than before. Let me show you how to use it. First, I'm gonna make a transaction. I'm gonna send $10 to my friend as a test. Just simply copy the TX ID or hash ID right here. Simply paste the TX ID here. Normally, it will take like 5 to 10 minutes to get one confirmation, but with this tool, of course, we'll make it faster. Now click on the free submission. Complete the CAPTCHA. After that, it should say successfully submitted an acceleration request. Now just patiently wait for a few seconds or a few minutes. Of course, we're gonna check the transaction on Explorer to see the process. As you can see, I just made the transaction since it says just now. So I'll just keep on refreshing this until it says one confirmation or so. This will maybe take about 1 to 2 minutes, so just bear with me guys, alright? And finally, after 2 minutes, it says I have one confirmation. In just 2 minutes guys, I have confirmed a Bitcoin payment. I saved so much time, especially when the tool that you're using is free. So far, you can use their tool with no limitation whatsoever. Thank you guys for watching and peace out.